So, good afternoon everyone, welcome to the channel. I just got out of church and I figured I'd do a quick review. I got my mic and my GoPro adapter yesterday, so I'm testing that out, see if I'm getting good quality audio. And also, I got these ProTapers installed, and I was going to do this review out at John Burr's Motorsport Park yesterday. I took my wife out there. I was going to rent her a little 110 Yamaha dirt bike, but when I got out there and I told them I had a GROM, they said no GROMs allowed, dirt bikes only, which the GROM is a dual sport, so I thought they would have let me ride it out there, but I was wrong, but that's okay. But anyway, I got the XR50 ProTapers. A lot of people go with the minis, or they go with the 110. Instead of having to buy risers to get a little extra height, I just went with the 50s so they ride a little higher. There was really no specific reason why I got them, not for aesthetics or for any kind of purpose really, but I've looped a couple times on my stock handlebars. I looped a couple times on my stock handlebars, so they were bent up pretty bad. If you follow me on Instagram, there's a picture of them on there. But my parents got me these for my birthday. I threw them on. I think they look pretty good. I went with blue hand grips. They kind of go with the theme of the bike. I got a Naruto theme, so the yellow and the blue and the red, they kind of all go together. Later this afternoon, I'm taking the family to the Tulsa Zoo, so that'll be pretty fun. I'm excited about that. We haven't gone in a while. So what are you guys doing today? Let me know in the comments what you're up to. It is so nice today. It's probably about 65 degrees in the middle of February, so that's insane. I love it. Perfect riding weather. Hi. Got to run in here and get something for my wife real quick. Excuse me. Alright, so I got my wife for snacks. But yeah, anyway, I'm loving these handlebars. I got so used to riding with bent handlebars. I mean, my bike's driving a lot straighter now. I'm not having to really lean over to be in the right position. But let me tell you, getting on the throttle grip was such a booger. I should have trimmed down or shaved down the throttle tube a little bit, but I didn't, and I struggled to get that thing on. And let me also tell you, on the stock handlebars, there's a little hole right here drilled to keep all this from moving around. I just have a zip tie holding it on there, so it don't really move at all. But I could not get it to align right. Every time that I put it on, if I over tightened it, the throttle wouldn't move. And if I didn't tighten it enough, this would just move around like crazy. So if you get ProTapers, remember to insert a little drill hole right there, so that little locking nut will lock this in place, because I struggled with it for about 30 minutes. I kept thinking that a wire was obstructing it or something, but it was nothing but that little nipple on the inside. So there's that. I know this is a pretty short video. Like I said, I'm just testing my mic out, talking about my bars a little bit. I'm going to try to decrease the content time, or the video time that I'm doing stuff, so that way y'all don't lose interest and click off. So I'm going to keep it under 10 minutes or so if I can. I have a few different content ideas for next week, so I'm going to start on that. Whenever I start releasing videos, y'all find out what I'm going to do. But anyways, thank you for checking out the video. Give me a subscribe if you can. Give me a like, give me a comment, because the more that y'all interact with my content, the more that it'll get pushed on other people's pages. So that'd be awesome if y'all could do that for me. Oh, and another thing, I'm going to give a shout out to GROMS Beardo, because he is more than awesome. Go check out his website, check out his YouTube, check out his Instagram. He sells oil pumps, and I got these rear set sliders from him. And on his YouTube, he has install videos, and they're pretty much step by step, make it real simple. So yeah, check out Beardo, give him a like and subscribe too. Please don't run me over. It's so scary all the time. People almost run a stop sign and ram into me, and I never know if they're going to stop or not. Let me tell you, it's super weird trying to learn to talk to yourself, but I guess the more I do, the more I'll get used to it. But anyways, thank you for checking me out today. So yeah, if you like my stuff, give me a comment, give me a like, give me a follow, whatever. So yeah, I'm almost home, so until next time, see y'all later.